What's up? I came up here for an interview. Yeah. You want me to take it out for you or?
You good. You good.
All right, thank you.
You know where it's at, right?
Yeah. Oh, God damn, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's hot as fuck, fool. I swear to God. Nigga sweating. Look at my shirt. Sweating through that bit, boy. I sweated my hoodie out. This shit dirty. But yeah. Wasted! Nigga wasted. Why nigga wasted? Yeah, hold on. To the house? Wasted! Hey, you might be on the vlog? But yeah. It's hot as fuck. This shit smell like gas. Oh. I don't know why your car smell like gas in the front, but it smell like gas.
Gas?
Yeah. Gas. Well, gas. What's up, Langston? Look, you on the vlog? Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, dude? You on vlog?
Yeah, I vlog every day. You know? I'm trying to be consistent. What?
Look at my eyes, she see pain in the back of my mind. Yeah, the suicide. Cause my heart takes my kids on my side. Yeah, one hell of a night. The burning just all in my life. Yeah, the ex every night. How my body went out of my mind. Yeah, she look at my eyes. She see pain in the back of my mind. Yeah, the suicide. Cause my heart takes my kids on my side.
Right up here. This your phone? Yeah. On my videos, I be trying to put people music on there. So if you want to sing over here? No, he gonna say.
Where you coming from? Are you up there?
Johnson.
I work up there.
You do?
At least my year. That's a good ass job, my boy.
I'm only doing this so I can make money to provide for these people right here that's watching. So I just try to, I want to do mukbangs and shit. Go downtown.
So you taking YouTube all the way?
What?
All the way?
Shit, I've been doing it for a month straight so far, so. Why stop now?
I'm trying to do my music shit.
Dude, shit, I'll promote your shit
It's already been done, brother.
The White Infinity. But that's what shit. I'm telling you, send me your shit. I'll put your shit in my videos.
Take it easy, bro.
You too. Be safe. Oh. Oh. My nigga Langston. I know y'all see them lawns. Look at it. Oh, look nice. Finally finished this house. All these lines in it. Ooh, look at that. That look nice. And they go all the way back. Like, look. See that? Yeah, on this side, too. They line up with this side, so I go all the way down. No cap. Look like a damn football field out there. Motherfucker. But yeah. I finally finished cutting the grass. It took me 2 days, really. Well, really 1 day, but 2 separate days. 2 different cuts. I cut 2 different times. So I did like half. Well, I did like 75% down at the other half. And I just finished it off. But I just gotta finish this part right here, and then I'm done for real. So, it's hot as fuck, fool. No cap. But yeah, I fuck with y'all and I'll fuck with y'all in a minute. What's up, y'all? I'm getting my car ready for oil change, so I'm going ahead. I'm doing it myself. Cause shit ain't got nobody to tell me with it, so you know how that go. But yeah. Yeah, bitch, you keep coming out. But now I gotta take all these out. Shit, I was watching YouTube to figure out where the fucking thing at. Is this bitch even twisting? Yeah. Okay. Because if y'all can look down here, y'all can literally see, like, look right there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but my oil is still leaking. And ain't no oil in the car, so I'm trying to figure out where the fuck it's leaking from. So, I ain't drove my car in months. So we finna figure this out together. It's probably gonna be a whole different video, to be honest. Damn, that's a lot of motherfuckers to take out. I'm just loosening all these bitches for real. Nigga really tired, so I'm probably gonna get to y'all when I finish this shit. That's crazy. Man, these long ass fucking screws. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna get that key on me. Alright, I'm back. I took this part off. Shit, they got all these, it got hella holes in it. All of this shit. See, they took that hole out. That's why they got the screws and shit in there. One right here and shit. But all these screws and shit all up in there. That shit's a lot of fucking shit. See, cap I lost a long ass time ago. So I'm just gonna move it to the side like that. And I'm gonna show y'all what I gotta do next. So next, I'm gonna go get a pen. I gotta take this out. And I gotta take this out because I gotta drain it. So we're draining it. It's gonna drain from here into a pan, and then the filter off. I gotta fuck around and take the filter off. However I do that, But it don't look like, I'm trying to figure out how is it leaking. Shit, I don't know, bro. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So, I'll get back to y'all whenever I get the pan and all that shit. So, y'all be safe. Alright, y'all. So, I had to come over here. I'm gonna put this back where I got it from. I had to come over here and get this 14 millimeter because that's what my car takes, is a 14 millimeter. Get the extender. And yeah, let's go to work. So, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the extender on there. Like this, yes sir. And then turn that bitch up. Oh snap! I ain't even show y'all. So look, I couldn't find plates. I couldn't find a pan, so I got a cup. I don't think anything in there, so I got cups and I got a bottle. And yeah, however it go, that's how it's gonna go. It's this damn screw that's behind me, fool. Try going the other way, see if that works. No, see, put it this way, because the thing is taking it off, right? Damn, I can't get that bitch off. I'm gonna try it later, because I don't feel right now. Yeah. Part 2 coming soon. See y'all soon.